This ride is perfectly Iowa somehow. You're going through the cornfields, it's flat, you think, is this all there is? And then you start to dive down into the Des Moines River Valley. And then there's the showstopper, the Bass Point High Creek Trestle.
Any last words, Patrice?
780 feet long, 156 feet high, absolutely spectacular views.
I took the